What's cracking, guys? Today's problem of the day is brought to you by McDonald's. McDonald's introducing new spicy chicken nuggets and Chips Ahoy McFlurry coming this Wednesday, September 16th. Alright, guys, let's take a look at today's problem. The Crows took 7 ears of corn each time they did a flight. They did 8 flights. The Pink Panther said that after they did their 8 flights, the Pink Panther said they had taken 1/3 of the ears of corn he was going to sell. How many ears of corn was he going to sell, guys? Alright, guys, go ahead and pause the video here so you can solve the problem. Once you've finished solving the problem, go ahead and press that play button, and I'll go over the answer to this bad boy. Alright, welcome back, guys. You know what time it is. It's time to go over the answer to this bad boy. So, guys, this is definitely a tricky, and there's a couple of different things that we got to do here in order to solve this problem. So let's go ahead and dive in. Alright, guys, so the first thing that I'm going to do is pull out a pink pencil since it's a Pink Panther problem. And, guys, the problem said that they grabbed 7 ears of corn on 8 different flights, and that was 1/3 of how many ears of corn the Pink Panther wanted to sell. So I wrote out here that 7 times 8 equals 1/3. That's the first step, guys. That's what I'm going to do first. I got to figure out what 1/3 is, because I need to figure out, guys, ultimately, at the end of this problem, what I'm trying to solve is 3/3 is equal to what, all right? And once I solve that, then I'm going to be very happy, all right? So what I'm going to do here, guys, is instead of multiplying 7 times 8, since that is kind of a toughie, I'm actually going to break apart my 7. And if you remember the distributive property, guys, we can actually break apart this 7 into some more easy numbers to multiply by. So I know, guys, in my head, I know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. So what I can actually do with that, guys, is change 7 times 8, and instead I can solve 2 different multiplication problems that are much easier, all right, using the distributive property. So I can actually do 5, I can take this 5 times my other factor, 8, the other factor stays the same, plus, then I have 2 times, I keep my other factor the same, 8 equals something, all right? Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and solve these bad boys. Now, multiplying by 5s is awesome, guys, because I can skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Alright, that's 8 5s. So that gives me 40 plus 2 times 8, guys. I know that that is 16. Next, I just solve 40 plus 16. So my 1s, 6 plus 0 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. All right, 56. So 56 equals, guys, 1/3. So 1/3 equals 56. That's important because I'm going to use that to solve for this. What is then 3/3? Let me go ahead and draw a picture here just to illustrate my point. There we go. I'm using some pink, since these are the Pink Panthers' ears of corn. So I draw 2 parallel lines there, grab my ruler, bam, and bam. All right, guys. Oh, what happened there? Bam. All right, and then my denominator, guys, for thirds is 3, so 3 sections. Bam, bam. All right, and now I know that 1/3, guys, is equal to 56. And in a fraction, guys, that means each third, this is a third, this is a third, is going to be the same. They're all going to be that 56. So 56 and 56. All right, guys, so if I add these bad boys up, that's going to give me 3/3, and that's what I'm trying to solve for, right? That's going to make me happy. So let's go ahead and add our 56s. Let's take some blue since adding is cool. So we have 56 plus 56. 6 plus 6 is 12. I put 2 in my 1s, and 12 has one set of 10s. I carry that over my 10s. 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. So 112. 56 plus 56 is 112. Now we just have 112 plus 56 left. All right, so let's do that bad boy in green, 112. I'm going to move this down here, plus 56. 6 plus 2 is 8. 5 plus 1 is 6. 1 plus 0 is 1. All right, guys, so how many ears of corn did the Pink Panther plan on selling? He was planning on selling, guys, 168 ears of corn. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed today's problem of the day. Tune in tomorrow for another exciting and excellent episode. We'll see you then.